everybody, Dan Moran here from Concierge Diamonds. I'm on Tinsley Island, which was a private island owned by the Saint Francis Yacht Club of San Francisco. Once a year, they have their annual ladies' cruise, where the women of the yacht club sail their boats to this island for a weekend of relaxation and fun. They've asked us to exhibit here. This is our 4th year here on the island. So we're meeting up with our friends here from the Saint Francis Yacht Club. We're showing some fabulous jewelry, and we're reconnecting with old friends and making some new ones. Thanks for checking it out. Take a look.